Hey everyone! Have you ever been stuck staring at your computer screen, wondering if you're missing a comma or maybe if your tone just sounds off? Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? You shouldn't have to be a grammar expert to send a simple email. I mean, who has time for that? That's where Pismo comes in, your new AI-powered best friend for all things writing. Let's jump into why Pismo Lifetime Deal is such a game changer for anyone who needs a little help with their words. What is Pismo? So, what is Pismo exactly? Imagine an AI assistant that's not only your proofreader, but also your translator, content expander, and tone adjuster, all rolled into one. Whether you're drafting a quick message or putting together a professional report, Pismo helps you write like a pro. It integrates with all your favorite tools like Slack, Outlook, Google Docs, and more. No more juggling between tabs or getting lost in your own text. Pismo makes your words work for you, not the other way around. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. The regular pricing for Pismo can cost a pretty penny, but on AppSumo, you can grab it for just $39. Yes, you heard that right. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. That means you'll be saving big while using one of the most versatile writing tools out there. Let's take a look at all the features that come with this deal, so you can decide which tier is right for you. License Tier 1. One-time purchase of $39, originally priced at $74. Includes 2,000 requests per month. License Tier 2. One-time purchase of $109, down from $222. Enjoy unlimited requests every month. Both plans come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free for 2 months. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. What makes Pismo so special? Proofreading like a pro. Got spelling mistakes or awkward sentences? Let Pismo automatically correct your grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Translate with ease. Ever needed to send a message in another language? With Pismo, you can translate text into multiple languages with just a few clicks. Tone adjustments. Whether you need to sound formal for a client or more laid-back for social media, Pismo can adjust your writing style and tone to match any situation. Works with any app. Pismo integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Slack, Gmail, Figma, Telegram, and Google Docs. Who can benefit from Pismo? Freelancers, small business owners, recruiters, content creators, international teams, anyone who writes. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Thinking of grabbing the Pismo lifetime deal on AppSumo? Well, here's some spicy news for you. On top of the already incredible price, there's a way to grab an additional 10% off. Yep, more savings. Here's how. How to grab this deal. Visit AppSumo's Pismo lifetime deal offer. Enter your email address. Watch out for a pop-up offering the extra discount. Use the discount code and save even more on your purchase. Why wait? Jump on this deal and watch your writing process transform. Customer reviews for the AppSumo lifetime deal. So, are you ready to level up your writing game and save yourself hours of frustration? Pismo is here to help you write less, but say more. Check out the description below for all the details, and grab your Pismo lifetime deal before it's too late. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome deals and tech reviews.